Good morning, guys. Will the Thrill here. Today we got a little bit of something a little different. You know, it's not really too different, but you know, we mostly do Chevy stuff in here, but we're not racist, you know, we do everything. Anyways, my buddy's coming in with his Shelby gt350, and we're about to do a Corsa X pipe and just revamp his exhaust a little bit. It's already crazy rowdy sounding, but he wants more, so we're not going to tell him no. Should be pulling up any minute and we'll get started. Yeah. Give her a little rev up. Here's our Corsa H pipe or X pipe. This is what we're working with. And she's already rowdy, but about to get to a new level of it. We got the old exhaust off. Time to start building on what we got. Turned into a bit of a shit show. The X pipe was made for like factory exhaust, so you already had some custom stuff. So had to like redo the whole thing, but got these factory high flow cats that we already hollowed out and welded these pipes onto them so they fit the X pipe. And then we're gonna do some hangers, try to use the stock location, not there yet, and then do some dumps. Also his dumps are like 5-inch and we got 3-inch exhaust, so he's trying to have somebody flare something out. We'll see how that goes. All right, so this is what we got so far. He's just going to get his tips all flared up so he can put the dumps on. Then we'll weld up the hangers and be done with this rig. All right, so she's all done. We got the two little tail dumps going on. This is a temp tips because we had a titanium one. I never welded titanium, but apparently it doesn't work. That's good to know. But came out pretty sweet. Should make a racket. Well, that's a wrap. Came out decent, sounds good. The tip situation kind of sucks, but you know, we just put those tips on temporarily and we'll get it squared away when you get something new in.